Thank you. I'm Izumi Yoshizaki, JAXA, and I'm project manager for the CubeSat program. So today I'd like to introduce you about the CubeSat deployment from ISS Kibo, not only JCube, but also other programs. Okay, so I think you know about Kibo, but let me introduce. This is the International Space Station, and the Kibo module is over here in the front. It's the Japanese experiment module, and Kibo means hope in Japanese. And this is a close look of the Kibo module, and the pressurized module on the right side is the biggest part. Actually, this is the biggest pressurized module on the ISS, rather than this United States module. And we do life science experiments, physical science experiments, and medical experiments, and etc. in here. And we have a large stowage on top of it. We stow lots of payloads which we are not using, or some water or such things. And because we have this stowage, the Kibo module is very clean. And I shouldn't say in a large voice, but in other modules, it's kind of messy because they don't have a stowage, but we are proud that the Japanese module is very clean. And on the left side in the screen, we have the external platform. This is the biggest external platform on the ISS, and this is really a good platform to observe the Earth or observe the universe. We have a facility called MAXI. MAXI observes all sky because the International Space Station goes round the Earth 90 minutes and one round of the Earth. So MAXI can observe all sky, what is going on in the universe. It can detect X-ray explosion. I mean, it detects black holes or new stars coming out. So it's really interesting. And what is unique about the Kibo module is we have an airlock and a robotic arm. And by using this robotic arm, we can deploy CubeSats. And this is another picture or illustration showing the Kibo module from another angle. You can see the GEM airlock, a Kibo module airlock, and the robotic arm on the right side. If you launch your CubeSat, then I'll explain in the next PowerPoint file, but the crew member will install the J-SSOD, I mean, the deployer on the airlock and bring the J-SSOD out of the airlock. The robotic arm will grab the J-SSOD and then deploy your CubeSat. So the next file shows how our program works. J-SSOD stands for GEM Small Satellite Orbital Deployer. So when you develop your CubeSat, please bring to JAXA, and then JAXA will install your satellite into the J-SSOD satellite install case. And the satellite install case will be packed in a cargo transfer bag with lots of cushions, so that your CubeSat will be sent to the ISS without so much vibration. And after that, the satellite will be launched to the ISS. we usually use the SpaceX or Northrop Grumman rocket, but this year we are expecting to launch HTVX, which is a new transfer vehicle to the ISS developed by the Japanese manufacturer. So I think NAXSat, the Thailand J-Cube satellite, will be launched on this rocket, new H3 rocket this year. And after launch, the cargo transfer bag will be taken out of the cargo transfer vehicle, and the astronaut will set the JSOD install case on the MPEP. It's called MPEP, but anyways, it's kind of how do I say? You install it on the airlock slide table, and then the slide table will go out of the airlock, and then the robotic arm will grab the slide table JSOD, and then by sending a command from the Tsukuba Space Center, which is in Japan, Tsukuba City, the door opens and the CubeSat will jump out of the JSOD. So I talked really easily, but the CubeSat development part is really the hard part. And so the Japanese university professors will help you. And also Professor Cho was talking about the safety issues. Since the ISS is a manned vehicle, we have to be very careful about safety. So the safety review is very kind of severe, and you'll receive lots of comments, but please understand it is very important. Okay. So this is the first CubeSats deployed from the ISS in 2012. And I'd like to emphasize that we were the first to deploy CubeSats from the ISS. And later on, NanoRack also started deploying CubeSats from the ISS using our airlock and our robotic arm. And since then, we have launched 91 CubeSats from 32 countries. And these are this map shows the countries which we collaborated. So the red colored countries are the countries whose first satellite of their country was deployed from the ISS. And the pink is non-ISS partners. So I am here today to invite you to work together with us. And this is to introduce capacity building through JSOD. Today's meeting is mainly for JCube, but I'd like to introduce some other program too. Kibo Cube is a collaboration with the UNUSA, United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs, and we provide one U-size CubeSat deployment opportunities for access to space for all. This is free of charge, but as Professor Cho mentioned, it is very competitive. And now we open the 9th announcement of opportunity this June, and the deadline is the end of this year. So please take a look at the UNUSA website. And the next one is JCube. This is fee-based, but really low price, and it is 1U to 3U. So we provide more challenging satellite development opportunities for various countries in collaboration with Japanese universities. And on the right side, I just introduced some of our service providers. We have 2 service providers, Space BD and Mitsui Bussan Aerospace. Of course, they charge the fee, but they take care of wide 6U satellites or 50-kilogram satellites too. So if you have the budget, please contact them and discuss about what kind of satellite you want to develop. And on the bottom side, it says Kibo Cube Academy. This is a series of lectures prepared by UNISEC professors, and it is for educational aspects through satellite life cycle. And it is really very useful, so please be sure to access. And this is this photo explains that we have selected 2 service providers. And this slide shows the free lectures on the UN USA website. Professor Cho or Professor Nakasuka, they are superheroes of the CubeSat community, I guess. They also have lots of lectures posted, so please really access and learn about satellite development. Advantages of J-SSOD compared to Rocket Ride is first, you can get technical support from experts like UNISEC, JAXA, and service providers. 2, launch opportunities 3 or 4 times a year. So if in case of Rocket Ride, when your satellite development is delayed, the rocket will not wait for you, but we have, in case of the ISS, we have lots of transfer vehicles going up to the ISS every few months. So even if you miss one flight, you can try the next one. So that's a very good part of this program. And number 3 is low vibration during launch compared to Rocket Rise because it is covered with cushion. Number 4 is you can see the deployment at real time. The right pictures show that the embassy, or the upper picture is the Prime Minister of Moldova. She saw the real-time YouTube program, and we shared the excitement together, and it was really exciting. It was the first satellite for Moldova. And so it's really exciting to share the what do we say, excitement together with the satellite development team. So thank you very much for your attention.